Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to do conditional highlighting. Let's say I want to highlight all sales value which is more than $120,000, and I also want to highlight all sales below $300,000 in grand total. Okay, click on close. So the first one, you need to come back to your pivot, click on 0 over here, click on highlight, add the value is already pre-selected for you, more than, let's say, 120,000. Okay, in your fill, let me say I'll take green, and my font, I would like it to be black. Click on OK, save, and if you preview it, you will see values more than 120,000 are highlighted. Let's say for grand totals, I come back, again press highlight, add, we say value is less than 300,000. Okay, and we shall make it say yellow, sorry, red, and here we would want this to be white. Okay, save, preview. So this is a very simple way to get conditional formatting.